Hello from sunny Tokyo. I'm the Bento Buster and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my original Bento Buster Dog. It's a hot dog with some serious Japanese influence. This, my friends, is a pork frankfurter infused with cheese and wrapped in bacon. Now, admittedly, it's not screaming I'm from Japan, but once I put in this tempura batter and deep fry it, oh yeah, we will have a tempura dog. And that's a hot dog with some serious Japanese street cred. Now, the secret to a good tempura batter is to use ice cold water, and thanks to that, this dog is looking pretty crispy indeed. Now, this will only take several minutes to cook, and in fact, it looks like it's done. And there you go, guys, it's battery, it's golden, it's tempura-y, it's sausagey, it's hot doggy. Yeah, it's a tempura dog. And that tempura batter holding on for dear life definitely gives it some character. It's super crispy and delicate, so I better handle this carefully so that it doesn't fall off. Okay, now that we have the hot dog sorted, now it's time to arrange our bun. And those of you who have regular viewers, you are familiar with this loaf of bread. And that kanji, well, I don't know what it says, but let's just say it says Cobra Kai. If you are unfamiliar with this bread, this is Japanese shokopan. In fact, it's quite a unique form of Japanese shokopan that I found at my local bakery. And as a result of its unique shape, I've worked out a way to make 4 hot dog buns out of it, which I think are pretty sweet. I'm toasting the bun in New Zealand grass-fed butter so that each side is flavorful, golden brown and crispy. Okay, and yes, that looks pretty good, so let's move on to the next step, and that is to assemble the hot dog. And these are the ingredients and condiments that I will use to make this Bento Buster Dog. Now the first thing we need is some Japanese mustard, karashi. Now this stuff is pretty hot. It's almost like an English mustard, so 3 blobs should be enough. It was a toss-up between wasabi mayonnaise and mustard, and because it's a hot dog, well, I went with the mustard. Now the next thing to add is a sheet of nori seaweed. This is the tricky part. I want that seaweed to stand up straight like it does in a bowl of ramen. And by arranging the tempura dog like so, it should hold it in place. Okay, what a relief, the nori idea worked. Now, I was thinking about what type of sauce to use. Ketchup's a big no-no. Tonkatsu sauce, well, that's too strong. Then I thought, hey, how about some Japanese steak sauce? Yep, some Japanese steak sauce it is. It'll match this hot dog perfectly. This wafu style steak sauce is way different to the Western type. It contains soy sauce, mirin, onion, and just a little bit of sugar, amongst other things. I'll show you how to make it in an upcoming episode. It's a nice alternative to Western barbecue sauces. It's also low calorie and goes really good with wagyu. Now the next thing I'm going to add is some pickles. Nope, not dill pickles, but pickled ginger. Yep, benishoga. Then after that, a sprinkling of finely chopped spring onions. And finally, a scattering of fine strips of nori seaweed. Okay guys, that's it, we are done. So let me introduce to you the original Bento Buster Dog. So what do you think, guys? This is an original, so I really had to make it stand out. I mean, it really had to pop. I was thinking when you first see this thing, it really has to scream umami and Japan, and I think it does. This hot dog really does stand out, and I can honestly say I've never seen anything like it before. Of course, that's excluding my wagyu gyudon dog. Check out the link above. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. What does the Bento Buster Dog taste like? And the answer is umai, oishii. Translated to delicious. It's umami-tastic. Now this thing is delicious and it has a wonderful umami profile. The pork hot dog frank and the bacon give it that familiar hot dog taste. But then there's the crunch of the tempura and the umaminess of the barbecue sauce, the benishoga and that crispy nori. That coupled with the toasted buttery bread and the mustard, ahoy! It's a flavor bomb, alright. And then there's a color profile. It's like eating a rainbow. So in a nutshell, it's pretty darn good. Bento Buster, you have done it again. Well, it's that time again. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm the Bento Buster and I'm out of here. I've got to catch the last Shinkansen to Tokyo. Stay strong, and as we say in New Zealand, kia kaha. Take care, and I'll see you next time.